Hello everybody, I am Aissa and we are at National Trust now and we are at a forest tomb and come with us. We have some pumpkins and some spiders too. Don't worry because the spiders are not real, they're just fake. Did you know when a caterpillar turns into a butterfly, it makes a pupa to transform inside? It turns into a sort of soup, changing its body. In the wild, closed moths live in birds' nests, and there's something here too. A frog and a stick. What happens if you eat too much pumpkins? You get autumn April. Make a magic spell. An autumn leaf sting and say a magic spell. Make it up or use one of our golden lights shine inside me. I share it with kindness. I am one of the earth, brings my family joy. Abracadabra. What do you think if I will be a spider? Come with me and see. Did you like it? Well, now I will make you some food here. So let's get some carrots. And now some tomatoes, and now 2 of these, and 2 broccolis. Now put in, and boom, done. Now let's get some. This is so good, guys. Do you want some? Here. Now 4 came, and now I'm doing this. And I like it so much. I like the apples so much. They're so nice. Now I can see a person here sitting and looking at something. Maybe at the castle or at the apple tree. Now my dad gave me an apple and I'll try it. This is good. Do you want some? Now I will read you about weather. The weather helps us know what to wear and what to do. Let's explore how the weather changes through the year. Weather is what the sky is doing right now. It can be sunny, windy, rainy, snowy, or cloudy like today. When we look outside, we can see how the weather changes from morning to night. Sometimes it changes really fast. So always keep an eye on the sky. Now I will read you about sunshine, but it's not a sun here outside, but it is cloudy. The sun gives light and warmth to everything on earth, even when we can't see it. Behind the clouds, it still shines. The sun helps flowers grow and keeps us warm. On sunny days, we play in the park, ride our bikes, we go for swims. Can you feel the wind on your face? The wind moves clouds across the sky and makes the trees dance. Sometimes it's gently, sometimes it is strong, like a big breath for the earth. Wind helps kites fly high and make waves in the sea. Drip drop, rain falls from clouds when they get heavy with water. It waters the plants and fills rivers and puddles. Some days bring a light drizzle, other a big storm with thunder and lightning. But after the rain, the world smells fresh and clean. When it's very cold, raindrops can freeze and turn into snowflakes. Snow covers the ground like a soft white blanket. You can build snowmen, snow sledges, or make snow angels. Sometimes teeny bits of ice called hail fall from the clouds too. After the rain, when the sun shines, you might see a rainbow. Rainbows are made from sunlight and teeny raindrops in the air. They show beautiful colors: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. Which color do you like best? The weather changes with the seasons. In spring, flowers bloom and the air feels fresh. In the summer, the days are long and warm, perfect for playing outside. In autumn, the leaves change color and the wind feels cooler. In the winter, it's cold and sometimes snowy, so we wear warm coats and scarves. Today is cloudy but dry, a perfect day for exploring. Let's listen to the wind, watch the clouds, and see what the weather brings next. No matter the season, every kind of weather makes our world exciting. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.